So I have some Lasko box fans. If you've got a box fan, it's probably going to be the Lasko. That one's 10 years old. I keep it cleaned, oil the motor every 3 months. That is a Walmart special. It was like 20 bucks. And even though it's a Lasko fan that is the same size as that one that's 10 years old, it doesn't put the air out. This one, on the other hand, was on the trash. So I grabbed it. The motor was caked up with nasty dog hair. The frame was just totally rusted, no handle, and the speed selector switch was in multiple pieces. So I happened to see some handles at Dollar Tree, aluminum handle installed. I painted the thing while it was raining. I was standing out there painting it in the rain. Who cares? Then the switch, I could find none in the big box stores. Nowhere. Even the local hardware stores. So I found a Verispeed controller. That's for like an exhaust fan over your oven, your range or whatever. And I wired it in there, and that's just it's two wires on that. Okay. So I found the high speed on that and wired the switch, the Verispeed, into the high speed winding on there. That's how I was able to do that. They've got some funky wiring in there. So your speed on here is 1, 2, and 3. They don't use resistors or transformers, anything like that, triacs. They actually control the speed by the different windings on the motor. So let's see what this one actually does on high. Let's see. Hold on. So about 12. Okay. Let's see what this little Walmart special does. We'll throw that on high. And here you go. Eight. So this old one is kicking. It's a kicker.